Right. So the next functional group are the thiols. So here we have RSH, where R is some kind of carbon. And so they're all overall, they're pretty similar to alcohols. So for example, in terms of the nomenclature, we call this 1-propanol. Whereas if we have the thiol derivative, we would call this 1-propane thiol, right? So note that you do keep the E and you just add thiol at the end. So that's when the thiol is the major component of the molecule. When the thiol is just a minor component of the molecule, it gets a different name. So for example, this alcohol is actually the major component of this molecule. So this would be 1-butanol. And then you can see at the 1, 2, 3 position, we've got a thiol, but when it's a substituent, it gets a different name. It's called a mercapto. So this is 3-mercapto 1-butanol. Confusing, but that's just the way it is. Overall, thiols, not super common in this course, but they are somewhat common. The main thing about thiols is that they're very smelly. So if you ever work in a building where you have a thiol chemist, you might get a whiff here and there. I've heard of stories of somebody working with thiols, not being careful enough, and then stinking up the whole building to the point where everybody's got to evacuate. So we'll probably stay away from thiols. I'm not trying to smell that.